Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And I'm here in Victoria Park, a very sunny, beautiful day in Hong Kong. And what better time than to share a new phone that was just released here in Hong Kong officially 1 hour ago. Now you told me, hey, we're not interested in this one, but I definitely am, guys. And I bring you the Mi Note 10 Lite. Oh yeah. And your first look on Frankie Tech of the Mi Note 10 Lite. There it is. And now you may be wondering, but Frankie Tech, I thought we said we weren't interested in this phone. Guys, here's the thing. I did those polls recently and I realized it was kind of a mistake. Most of the people voting from specific countries, you may not be interested in this phone, but I think there are many other countries that would be interested in seeing a Frankie Tech review of this Mi Note 10 Lite. I went to the store today to give it a look, and the moment I saw it, I just said, it is just stunning. And considering the price of 2,500 Hong Kong dollars, guys, this phone is such a good deal. And this gorgeous, look at this gorgeous white color that I got it in. It is absolutely stunning. I've looked online. I hadn't seen any unboxings or reviews of this kind of beautiful color that they've included here with the Mi Note 10 Lite. And here it is on the channel finally. So why is this phone important, guys? Because this phone really we've seen it before in the CC9 and the CC9 Pro, and in the Mi Note 10, the original Mi Note 10, which had that 800 megapixel camera. This one has taken it down a step, a 64 megapixel camera in place, but it's kept all of that great, just that really great experience of the Mi Note 10, and that includes the very beautiful 6.57 inch display. Let me show you the version that I got as well. And there's a global version, guys, so this has full Google apps installed. Let's go here to About Phone. There we go. And you can see there 128 gigs of storage, and we're running Android 10 MIUI 11.0.1, and this is the 6 GB, 128 gigs of storage version. And there you can see all the other specs. I'll just hold that for a second there. And so guys, why did I pick up this phone again? I think, well, not pick this phone up again. This feels like I'm using the Mi Note 10 again, but this phone is coming at a much lower price point, down to 2,500 Hong Kong dollars, which is just a little over 350 US dollars. Compared to the Mi Note 10 or the Mi Note 10 Pro, this is a major deal for such a beautiful phone. And with this gorgeous AMOLED display, yes, it is 60 hertz, but it is still very beautiful. Talking about design, stunning design, the same kind we saw from the Mi Note 10, but at a much lower price. And then in terms of display, like I said, a beautiful display. If you liked the display on the Mi Note 10 series, you'll have the same one here on this Mi Note 10 Lite. Talking about performance, this is where I wish they maybe had done something different, but how are they going to release a light version of the phone and actually put bigger specs, bigger and better specs than on the original? So this has that same Snapdragon 730 processor, which is no slouch, guys. This is still a terrific processor. I'm not too excited about the processor, but I still think it'll do a great job here in 2020. Talking about audio, and look at that, we do have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and a very gorgeous just design here. Look at the bottom speaker. No top speaker here though, but we do have an IR blaster, as you can see. And now let's wrap up with a classic Frankie Tech camera shot. It is very sunny today though, guys. I'm gonna try to take something a little bit in the shade here so it's not so hard to see. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And AI camera is off. Let's go ahead and turn that on. 3, 2, 1. Very fast shutter, really good to see. And there it is, and a gorgeous shot. I need to read more about this 64 megapixel sensor. Is it the Samsung GW1? Or is it some other sensor that I'm not aware of? I think it's that Samsung sensor, but we will have to see. But the colors look really good, look really solid. And yeah, you notice a little bit of kind of banding happening there just now. It looks like we have that kind of similar banding that happens on AMOLED displays. It's a sunny day, guys, but I just wanted to share this one with you. I know what you're thinking, that this was not a phone that you guys wanted to see, but the reality is, guys, I'm gonna stop doing those polls I'm done doing those polls now. I realize you guys are here to see what I want to review when I want to review it. And today I want to review this Mi Note 10 Lite. And guess what, guys? With the upcoming Nubia Play 5G, we're going to have a number of Snapdragon 700 series phones here on the channel. With the Mi 10 Lite Zoom that I've been reviewing, it's going to be a very interesting triple comparison between those phones. So stay tuned for that. Not always is it about the phone that you're reviewing. It's about the phones that you are reviewing next to that phone that would make for a great comparison here on Frankie Tech. Anyways, that's it for this quick video, guys. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Gorgeous phone, guys. Hit me up with any questions, any comments you have about this Mi 10 Lite Zoom, and I'll be happy to answer them. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Let's turn this on again. There we go. And look at this gorgeous back one last time, guys. Absolutely gorgeous.